Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing fine. I went out to CVS today, and you see that cold that was trying to get me, or like I said, it was my anoids that was trying to get me yesterday. It's not even here today, so that's why I don't think it's a cold. But you know what? I did take Echinacea, and that always gets rid of whatever cold is trying to come because it works with your immune system. All right. Anyway, guys, I didn't have any coupons for this stuff, but I did have digital coupons. All right. This big detergent right here, and I got 100 fluid ounces. I try to get more bang for my buck because the other big ones like this is 90 fluid ounces, but I got the 100 fluid ounces. Just perfect Tide. And then even with the pods, I got the one that has 16 pods in it versus 12 pods. So got more bang for my buck there. And I also bought the Downy Unstoppables. Okay, so this was my first transaction. And this Tide was, the big one was $11.94. The Downy Unstoppable was $4.94. And the Tide Pods were $4.94 as well. And when you bought $20 worth, you got $5 back. So my coupons that were on there were, I had a $3 off coupon for the Tide. I didn't have anything for the Pods. And a $1 off coupon for the Unstoppables. And then I had a $10 extra care buck that I used along with that. My price came out to $7.82 before tax. All right, I paid that. This was a 76% savings. I saved $24.75. And I got back 5 and a 1. All right, that one said, use me, don't lose me. $1 extra bucks, okay? So I got back, I only expected 5 back, but I got back 6. So out of the $7.82, I paid $1.82 for the Tide and the Unstoppables. Okay, guys, I will be back with transaction number 2. I know you see it sitting back there, right? But this is what I said I was going to get. Remember when I did the pre-CVS haul? I said I was going to pick this up. And guess what? I did. Hold on a sec.